Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Talk 65 Bluetooth hands-free cell phone headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this headset is not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with something, or if you're having sound issues, it's bugging, not responding, etc. Any kind of bugs like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the other reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new phone, or just for whatever reason you want to just delete all the pairing history and set this up as a new device. This will do this for you. It's really easy to do. You just want to make sure it's turned on, and then you can actually put it up in your ear to make sure you hear, because you'll need to hear to know what's happening. And you're just going to come in while it's on, press the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously. Just press and hold them for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds you should hear two beeps. You should hear the device make two beeps. Once that happens, you can release this, then go ahead and turn it off. Wait a couple seconds and then turn it back on, and it should be like you're turning it back on for the first time. You can set it up as a new device.